In part 13, I was working on the back legs, but I'm almost done, so let's fix them. Like this. Because one, that's not a very defined, thing. So, let's try to fix that. So let's see. Let me try this. And let's try an edge right here. Put this up here and rotate some. Oh, you know what? I need to rotate these ones. Let's do that. And I need to do this. Okay, let me just select these. No, I meant this. Okay, good, that did help. And also, this one is going to be... Let's see, how do I do this? Oh, well, first of all, it needs to not be curved down that much. Rotate some, like this. And in fact, let me just do this. Oh, I need to do this too. Okay, so let's just pull that out. Whoa. Look at that. You got some pinch right there. And that's caused by this. So, let me actually move you some. And that's convex. Sorry, concave. So, let me just do this. See if that helped it. Kind of. I think it's... You know what? I'm just going to take these right here and I'm going to smooth it out. So, now I just right click and smooth vertices, and that did not help. I think it's these. Yeah, it was those. Okay, that solved my problem. Kind of. Let's do... Okay, there you go. Yeah, there's a little bit of this you can see, but that's not near as bad. In fact, let's see what it is. Yep, pull it back and... Let's try this. Anyways, I think I'll just be done with that because I need to work on the legs, because right now this part looks good, but this part, it needs work. So let's see. I think I need to do this. Rotate some. And then, oh, let's see. I think the problem is that, let's just rotate some, go over here. Okay, so, I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this though. Let's do a loop cut right here. Oh, yes, and then right here, there you go. Okay, so, let's see if I can fix this back here. How's that? Well, I mean, it's not too bad. Okay, good. Let me go upstairs now. Okay, so... Okay, you know what? I'm going to take all these loops right here. I'm going to make sure they're all circles, because it looks good in this case. Oh, only those ones circles, exactly. Okay, and this one needs to be... Yeah, like that. Just trying to fix the curvature so it looks better. Also, let me do this. Nope, this one instead. I think I do that. Oh, I need rotates too. Okay, so that's about done with that, but the problem is for the front, back legs tend to be out from the center more in front legs, so let me do that real quick. Select his paws right here, the back one, that's to say, and do this. Okay, go to the back, and let's just pull this out some, and increase the fall so that it does this. Okay, that's good. Now let me go ahead and actually do this. I'm going to save it, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I actually made a mistake. So I actually have one more loop I need right here. So here's how you can fix that. First, let me go to Image Origins. I'm going to select, I'm holding Control, Alt, and Shift to select these ones. And I'm going to use this new thing I haven't used before, or at least I haven't used very often, and that's this. You have this thing called Auto Merge Vertices. So if I do this, S0, enter, it all may merge together. And then another thing to do is this. So let me turn it back off now, because if I have it on, it probably cause issues in the future. I don't want that. So I need to drag this down. And then this needs to go like this. And then let's do like this right here. And also, these are two forwards, so let me just do this. And let's see. Let me also do this too. Oh, let me actually do this also. Okay, right now cursor isn't very good here, so let's do this. Makes it more straight. Let me just pull these two out over here. Here. Let's see if this will help. Nope, don't do that. Oh, I know what happened also. So what's happening is that this is too small. So I can do this. Hide these for now. And so I can do this. I want to go to this one right here. Alt S to do this. Maybe it helped, not sure. I'll just do that again. Let's see how that. Oops, this is too skinny now. So let me go ahead and do this. Oh. Okay. And then this one bigger. Almost. Here. Let me also do this. And then this. Yeah, so a new version of Blender, if you press A like this, let's say you have something selected. You press A, it selects everything, you have to do it again to deselect everything. In older versions like 2.79 and older, if you press like, you click on something and you press A, it automatically deselects it instead. So like that. So that's one thing that's different. Oh, and I forgot, I need to put edge to bright in the front legs, like right here. Don't know why I didn't say it earlier though. And then rotate some, scale it down a little bit. And let's go ahead and do this. Here, do I use both backwards some? Okay, so let's see how that looks. Okay, so I think that's good for the legs. Let me turn this back on because he looks better without the seam mill. Okay, so now the last part I need to do is work on the tail. So let's get started. And I'm actually about almost 10 minutes. So let me do this real quick before I end this part. So let me go ahead and do this first. Yeah, get this cleaned up because it looks kind of weird, like messy. Oh, here. Let's go to smooth vertices and see how that does. Flat, not what I want. Okay, so let me just do this. And integrate origins and make this like that. Okay, so And that's it for part 14. So I see you in part 15.